Today we're making soft and tender pancakes, but not the usual ones. These pancakes are made with pumpkin. Take 400 grams of peeled pumpkin and cut it into small pieces, so it cooks faster. Transfer the pumpkin to a saucepan. Add 40 grams of sugar. If your pumpkin is sweet, you can skip the sugar. Add half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Pour in boiling water, just enough to cover the pumpkin. Do not add too much water. Cover with a lid and cook for 15 to 20 minutes, until the pumpkin is soft. Blend the cooked pumpkin together with the cooking water while it's still hot, using an immersion blender or a masher, until smooth. In a separate bowl, crack 3 eggs. Add half a teaspoon of salt and lightly whisk. Pour in 250 milliliters of milk and mix again. Add 300 grams of flour and mix until smooth and lump-free. At this stage, the batter will be slightly thick. Now slowly pour in the hot pumpkin puree. This gently cooks the batter and makes the pancakes very soft and tender. Adjust the sugar to your taste. At the end, add 50 milliliters of melted butter. You can replace it with vegetable oil, but butter gives a creamy flavor and a pleasant aroma. Let the butter rest for 20 minutes so the gluten develops and the pancakes don't tear. Cook the pancakes on a very well-heated pan, on both sides. No need to grease the pan. Adjust according to your pan. They cook quickly, about 1 minute per side. The pancakes turn out beautiful, lacy, soft and aromatic, and it's hard to guess they're made with pumpkin. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and see you soon for more delicious treats. Bye bye!